Hi everyone, I would love to have this machine via very long cables into those holes, transfer the whole computer into another room. Have all the heat, noise and all separated from my work area. The idea is that I'll only have those monitors on the wall and something like a USB hub here, so I can have everything what I need here. I'd love to check first if there's any input lag or any other errors or problems which will occur. So yeah, what I've bought so far is for the peripherals 10 meter USB 3 active cable. So we've got what goes into the computer, what goes to this side here to the table, and also specific add-on power, so that it will well, because of the length, it will lose a little bit of the signal, so that it still has the whole proper signal. Not only the USB cable, but also DisplayPort 2.1 10 meters cable, twice for both, and USB peripherals. And since I don't want to run downstairs and start the computer, the idea is to let me check it out. Find it quickly. The idea is to have the power on button also here at the desk, and that's why I've got this little button here. It's just a simple button, but also it has a light ring, an LED inside of it, so I can at least also visually see if the computer is turned on or if it's turned off. 2 wires for the button, 2 wires for the power on LED, a network cable, since there are 8 little cables in that, quite okay isolated. I'll try it with you together with a USB stick. First of all, I put that into the front USB. It's USB 3.0, I guess it was. With this mark, we'll try the testing. Finished. Let's check it out. There it is. See, there it is. Sorry for the mess, but there it is. First, without add-on power, we've got this results here. Let me show it to you a little bit better. This is direct. This is cable minus power, and now we'll try it again with the cable plus power. We've got direct minus cable with minus power, and also with a specific power. I canceled the test because first of all, I unraveled it a little bit to get better to the power, and also first test results also again nearly the same. So if you check it here. Now let's continue about the DisplayPort cable 2.1 specification, and let's see if there's any input lag or anything else. Let's see how it goes. This is the one with the 10 meters cable. This is the one with the, I guess, 2 meters cable or something like that. Let's see. Kind of tricky because this monitor has got 165 Hertz. The right one only 60. It's an older one, but I'll switch them in just a second. But yeah, kind of weird. This one with more hertz, with more frames per second, kind of seems quicker, nevertheless, of the cable. I'll try a slow-mo recording of when I type A, and then I'll see if that. seems completely the same. Even weird, the left one is a long cable and it reacted faster, maybe because of the 165 frames per second. I switched the cable on the bottom on the computer, now I'm switching it up here. This is the 10 meters cable, this is the normal 2 meters cable, and again replicate it, and let's see. I'll do the slow-mo video again. Now the right one is above the 10 meters cable. Like before, 60 frames per second, kind of, but that's kind of my conclusion. 60 frames per second is why the left one is quicker. Okay, gotta be honest with you, I am not sure. I don't feel it, I don't see it that much. It's not like a significant input lag or something else. I can feel, or I can see, or I can prove to you. So in the end, for me as a casual gamer and for what I want to do with that, it's completely fine. Now the interesting part begins. Put it all through the pipe, and I'll show it to you in the end when it's finished. Okay, I've laid down a few cables now flat. Okay, here I need to check a little bit, but mostly flat. And when I'm putting them in, they will not tangle themselves inside. The USB cable and the Ethernet cable are already put through, and we can see them. Twice DisplayPort in the USB Ethernet, twice DisplayPort, and then USB Ethernet, twice DisplayPort, or something like that will happen. And then we'll go by the pipe there, behind there, and we will get out, then through here, down. And the idea is to have the computer here wall mounted. Notebook, another PC wall mounted. Field, PC, laptop, PC or something like that. As you can see, I already have the network also all wall mounted, so that's the idea. Pull it through with this little cord, strong cord. Well, let's continue. Now the product is finished. Looks good, works. I've got it going through here, everything inside there, and let's check downstairs. And it goes through there, down, and you already see it into the computer, into the PC. And network goes there, power goes there, and yeah, let's see how the long-term review will be. But for now, I'm happy. To be honest, I'll see how it will perform, how I will function it well, but from my point of view, I don't know, it's kind of more relaxing to have everything now here inside the room, decentralized or centralized, doesn't matter, to have only the displays and the peripherals in the upper room, and it kind of feels, I don't know, it's more clean, not now, but I'll be on that, and for now I'm happy about that. If you'll try to copy this procedure, double check everything, the specification of the cable, also your computer, also how and what's also besides the running besides the cable, because for example, if there are power lines or power cables right beside data or network or your DisplayPort cables, it could interfere the signal. So It's not always a good result in the end, so double check that. And that's mostly it from my side. See ya.